Oh, good morning, New Mexico. So our big story for you this Monday is the weather. So take a look at this shot from the NM Roads camera. That's up there in Gallup, where you can see they have a light dusting of snow on the ground in Gallup. Here's just another view of that right there. So I-40, parts of it just covered in snow. It's going to be a slow drive to work there if you're on that section of I-40. Other places across New Mexico are dealing with some rain. Here's Eric to fill you in.
Yeah, you know, west of Albuquerque, Gallup through the Grants area, that's probably the worst of our winter weather impacts this morning. Snow really didn't do a good job of sticking. There are some scattered bursts of snow showers here through central and into portions of northern New Mexico, but passing by pretty quickly. And in Albuquerque, oh, it was a close call, but we got missed. There are some clouds clinging to the crest this morning, so it's just a little window where we can look down and see Albuquerque skies starting to brighten up. Rain, snow, wind all hitting today, and we've got freeze watches and warnings in effect overnight. Another storm arrives Thursday. That one could be a strong wind producer as well. Impact winds today with just this 30% morning wintry mix and rain chance. We've got that morning freeze possible tomorrow, 33 at the Sunport. Hard freeze likely for the River Valley. Tuesday afternoon, Wednesday briefly quiet. Then Thursday brings another bout of strong winds, we think, paired with a 20% rain chance. Another potential freeze into Friday morning, and then a little bit milder this weekend. Well, the morning rain and upper elevation snow showers will likely be pushing east and breaking up by midday. Any of the heavy stuff is right along the New Mexico and Texas state line and quickly pushing eastward. The afternoon brings sunshine for a lot of us. Temperatures only in the 40s and 50s, though, and those cool temperatures will be paired with these gusty winds advisory criteria. We're talking gusts of 50 miles per hour going to be possible. Farmington, Grants, Albuquerque, most of central, southern, and a good chunk of southeast New Mexico. Timing on the advisory 11 this morning until 7 this evening. Winds settle overnight, skies clear. Let's get one more look at those overnight low temperatures real quick. What has happened here with our graphics? I'm just going to go back once because I want to show you tonight's lows. We have jumped all the way to the end of our presentation, which makes things go quickly for us. But here's a quick peek at those low temperatures tonight around the state. And you can see it's going to be 20s to about 30 degrees for a lot of us. New coldest night of the season. Here's where we've got those freeze warnings: Farmington, Santa Fe, Espanola Valley, around Los Alamos, and the freeze watches for Albuquerque, Socorro, that I-40 corridor of east central New Mexico, and up into the northeastern part of the state. Well, after the cold Tuesday morning, Tuesday afternoon, bit of a temperature recovery, about 10 warmer than where we top out today, into the 50s and 60s, approaching 70 once again around Roswell and Carlsbad. Only briefly quiet, sneaking in one more pretty decent D Wednesday before the next wind-driven storm system rolls through Thursday. Just a slight chance at showers with it, but yeah, the winds will likely be impact criteria once again. That results in a cold morning Friday. Friday afternoon, though, and the weekend does bring a little bit more temperature recovery. But the average high, 67, 68 degrees. We don't have one afternoon this week where we get up to that number. This will be a cool week ahead.